Follow these simple steps to prepare your system for Ubuntu installation on your PC. Let's begin by acquiring the right ISO setup file. Open a web browser and go to ubuntu.com/download/desktop. Follow the link to check if Canonical has tested and supports your model. Download your chosen Ubuntu image by clicking on the Download button. Make sure the Ubuntu ISO download is completed and uncorrupted before continuing, as a flawed download will prevent a successful bootable drive. Next, let's create a bootable USB drive. Make sure you're using a USB drive that has at least 8 GB of space. All data on the USB drive will be erased, so make sure to back up any important files before proceeding. Insert the USB drive into your computer. Click on the How to Install tab. The easiest way is to use Balena Etcher, the tool promoted by Canonical. Click the Download Etcher button, and click the download link corresponding to your operating system. Once downloaded, click Open File. Click Flash from File and select the ISO file. Ensure that the right USB key is selected, and then click Flash. The tool will write the image and show you its progress and estimated time remaining. After that, the tool will validate the USB bootable key. When finished, safely eject the disk and remove it. To install Ubuntu, insert the USB drive into the desired computer. Turn on the system. At the Dell logo screen, repeatedly tap the F12 key to access the one-time boot menu. Select your USB drive from the one-time boot settings menu on the left side with the arrow keys, and then press the Enter key. Your computer will boot from the selected drive and launch Ubuntu. The Welcome to Ubuntu screen will appear, and you will then be able to start the installation. If you have any questions, please contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel for more Dell Technologies support tutorials.